Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto X40. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter security and privacy. Now go to device lock and screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. And let's start with the non, which is no security password. Next, let's select swipe, which is also non-security. Now, let's select password, and to create password you have to add at least 4 characters. Then, let's select PIN, and to create PIN you have to add at least 4 numbers. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern you have to connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, go to fingerprint, setup, and now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face unlock, setup, and now simply scan your face in this area. Unfortunately, I can't scan my face because of the lighting in the room I'm currently in, but basically you have to put your face in front of the front camera, scan it, and then you'll be use it to unlock the phone. Make sure that the room you are in is well lit. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.